Yo, guys, in today's video, we're gonna be player tracking with the friends.net right there. We're gonna be player tracking one of my YouTuber friends. His name is Zaps. Look at his channel right here. Right, you see it? Right there. Right, yeah, right there. Go ahead. Go subscribe to him. He's really good. Also, subscribe to me, because I'm really good, too. Okay, he knows who I am. So, I have a custom name right here. I'm not gonna show you guys, it's backwards, so... We're gonna change our outfit. We're gonna change our stuff. We're gonna change everything. Okay. I think for today, it's safe to say we can be an elf minigame.
What happens when you mix hot lava and chicken?
Hat. Boom. Take off. Wait. Color. He knows my color code. Gotta go something like bright blue. That's too much green. Go. Okay, some bright blue.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Okay, we're minigames good. This is just for today. I'm never doing this again. And I'm gonna pretend to be a fan of his. Alright, here we go. I'm in his lobby. Hopefully he doesn't notice who I am. Hello? Hello? Zaps VR?
Bro, how do you know who I am? What?
Hi, Zaps! Hey! Hey! My mommy says it's not okay to hit people.
Yo. Who's this guy?
What video are you filming, Zaps? Okay. That is lobby number 1. We're gonna see how many lobbies we can track them in. I'm gonna be like sneaky on this one. Turn off my flashlight.
What? Bro, what
Hi,
the
Zaps.
world? No. I'm
Zaps, I'm a big fan. Zaps, I'm a big fan.
No.
Please, film a video with me. Film a video for me. Film a video for me, please. Please. Man. Zaps is not being very nice to his fans right now. No, alright, Zaps, I'm a player twacker.
Oh, nah, dude. Really?
Zaps, I'm a really good player tracker.
Who is this guy? Who is this guy? You're not.
You don't recognize me? Look at my name. You don't recognize me? No, you don't
Bruh.
recognize me? Oh.
Bro.
What? Yo, guys. I might have used this name before in another undercover video. I'm not even gonna lie.
It's rare! I said it's rare!
Hi, Zaps!
Clutch. Is that you?
No, I
Or
don't
are
know.
you a
I don't know
Clutch
who Clutch
impersonator?
is. I don't know who Clutch is.
You're a Clutch impersonator then.
Maybe I am.
Bro. Who is this guy?
Yo, look. Go look over there. See, look at the friends list. It won't say we're in the same room. It'll say join room on Clutch. See, I told you. I'm not Clutch. I may have just stole his identity.
You want a backpack, kid?
Yeah?
Take a backpack.
So can I film a video with you?
Sure.
Oh my
You
god,
can find
yay! Yeah, no! Okay. Guys, he was skeptical. He was skeptical right there. That was a bit too skeptical. That was a bit too skeptical for him. Okay, we're just gonna join this room. We're gonna be silent in this room. Wait. Hello?
Nope.
What are you doing?
No.
I can ban you.
No.
Zaps, film a video with me or else I'm gonna ban you.
Wait, what?
Film me a video with me or else I'm gonna ban you.
You can't do that.
Well, how do you think I stole Clutch's account? I hacked into it. Okay. I think we actually scared him. I don't think he knows who we are. We actually scared him, guys. We're gonna go reveal ourselves. We're not gonna reveal ourselves yet. We're gonna go one more lobby. Let me join. Hi, Zaps! Hello?
Where's the uninstall button on this game?
No. If you want to install, I'm gonna hack your Oculus. My mommy said that finger no nice. Mommy said that finger not nice. What does that mean? Can you tell me what that mean? I'm only 6. My mommy said that finger no nice.
It means love.
Oh, in that case,
Yo, nah.
I love you so much. You're my favorite YouTuber. Oh my god. We're gonna go reveal ourselves now. He doesn't even know. He had no idea, guys. Oh my gosh. Wait. Okay, what? Actually, just in our arms again. Zaps! Yo, Zaps! Yo! Yo! Zaps! Yo, Zaps! I got my account back! Some like 6-year-old hacked me.
How are you finding me?
Yo, Zaps, it's me. Yo, Zaps, it's me. It's Clutch, Zaps. It's Clutch.
No. I don't know if I can believe you.
My voice is normal.